Baltimore homeowners face a unique mix of weather conditions throughout the year: hot, humid summers, cold winters, and frequent rain. While choosing high-quality windows is important, how those windows are installed plays an equally critical role in how well a home performs. Professional window installation ensures that windows deliver their full benefits, improving comfort, efficiency, durability, and overall home performance. Here's how professional window installation makes a measurable difference for Baltimore homes. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. One of the most common issues in Baltimore homes is unwanted air leakage around windows. Even small gaps can allow hot air in during summer and cold air in during winter, making indoor temperatures difficult to control. Professional installation focuses on precise measurements for a tight fit, proper leveling and alignment, complete sealing around the window frame. By eliminating gaps, professionally installed windows help maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduce energy loss. Improving energy efficiency year-round. Baltimore homeowners often see rising energy bills when windows are poorly installed. Professional installation ensures that energy-efficient features, such as insulated glass and low-E coatings, work exactly as designed. Benefits include reduced heat gain during humid summers, better heat retention during colder months, lower strain on heating and cooling systems. This leads to consistent comfort and long-term energy savings. Protecting against moisture and water damage. Rain and humidity are common in Baltimore, making moisture protection essential. Improperly installed windows can allow water to seep into walls, leading to mold, rot, and structural damage. Professional installers use correct flashing techniques, high-quality sealants, proper drainage paths. These steps protect the home's structure and help maintain healthy indoor air quality. Enhancing indoor comfort in every room. Uneven temperatures and cold spots near windows often result from improper installation. Professionally installed windows help regulate indoor temperatures more evenly throughout the home. Homeowners experience fewer hot or cold spots, improved comfort near exterior walls, better use of living spaces year-round. This is especially valuable in older Baltimore homes with varying construction styles. Reducing outside noise. Urban and suburban Baltimore neighborhoods can be noisy, with traffic, construction, and everyday activity. Professional installation enhances the sound-reducing capabilities of modern windows. Proper installation eliminates gaps that transmit noise, ensures tight sash engagement, maximizes the benefits of multi-pane glass. The result is a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Ensuring smooth operation and longevity. Windows that stick, jam, or won't lock properly often suffer from poor installation. Professional installers ensure correct alignment and hardware placement. This provides smooth opening and closing, proper locking for security, reduced wear on window components. Correct installation helps extend the lifespan of your windows. Preserving curb appeal and interior finishes. The professionally installed window looks as good as it performs. Clean lines, even spacing, and well-finished trim enhance both exterior curb appeal and interior aesthetics. Benefits include a polished, finished appearance, seamless integration with siding and trim, long-lasting visual appeal. This attention to detail enhances overall home value. Protecting manufacturer warranties. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Improper installation can void warranties and leave homeowners unprotected. Professional installation meets manufacturer specifications, protects your investment, provides peace of mind, long-term home performance and value. Professional window installation doesn't just improve performance today, it protects your home for years to come. Properly installed windows maintain efficiency, durability, and comfort over time. Why installation matters in Baltimore homes. In Baltimore's demanding climate, professional window installation is essential for maximizing home performance. From improved energy efficiency and moisture protection to enhanced comfort and noise reduction, proper installation ensures windows deliver their full value. For homeowners looking to get the most from their window investment, choosing professional installation is the key to long-term comfort, efficiency, and confidence in their home.